20 pieces of dating advice that I wish I could tell my 20-year-old self. You can't say she's that amazing or special, and you're basing off a sample size of 3. Most worry, stress, or obsession with a woman wouldn't happen if you're talking to more than one. Stumbles, rejections, and failures aren't just valuable lessons. They're actually required. Have more of them. Don't be a nice guy, but also don't be a bad boy. The confident version of yourself will always beat out either. You don't need to be smooth. Most of your success will come when you're still very nervous, anxious, and sensitive to rejection. The willingness to be disliked is big. The willingness to be vulnerable and still get hurt is even bigger. Don't forget that. At 20, your hormones and emotions tend to call the shots instead of your mind. Don't forget that. Effort into your appearance has one of the biggest returns in your time or money. Take it seriously. It's fine to care about body count, but not as much as what you think. If you need a job, work at a bar or club. It's fun, you'll meet women, and you'll get paid doing it. Your 20s are meant for experience. Doing dumb things or embarrassing yourself is the point. It means you're taking action. Women often have the abundance mentality and become more attuned to who they want. If you don't check off the right boxes for her, that's her problem. Similarly, it's just a numbers game. You can punch above your weight class and still get rejected below your own. Next, it's okay not to date at times. Relationships become most successful when you don't need one to be happy. Mutual interest in a relationship doesn't matter as much as you think. What matters is the dynamic between you. So if you chat and hit it off with someone, that's a green light, even if they're very different than you. Being retroactively jealous happens to everyone. So when those tough thoughts come up, try to label it, recognize it, and let it pass. Just don't act on it. Women will come and go, so try to not be resentful when it happens. Enjoy the ride with whoever's by your side. When breakups occur, try to have it end on a good note and then cut off all contact. You'll move on faster this way. Lastly, dating is difficult, so try to not be hard on yourself. Your future girlfriend or wife is out there right now waiting for you, so make it happen. And also, wear sunscreen.